What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the Orange Wires Garage YouTube channel, and welcome back to another episode of the Orange Wires Garage. In the last episode, you saw us purchase the little 2023 Toyota Tacoma extended cab, a great little four-wheel drive truck. We started working on everything and got to the back of the cab. So let's continue working on that, see if we can get it all patched up, get everything sanded and scuffed up, and get it into the booth. And in this episode, we hope to get this truck 100% put back together and break down the 100% complete cost of what we've got invested in this truck so far. So let's stop talking, let's get to work, get some of this work done. Well, we got the V-Vor dent fixing machine out and pulled all that out and had the first couple of layers of body filler on there, and I'm really happy with that. I think it's going to turn out just fine. Pulled all that area out. Now we got a little filler in. Should be good to go once we get it sanded down and put a little primer on it. I think I could probably fix this tailgate, but I really don't know if I'm going to. I might just order a new one or an aftermarket one. I went ahead and got the bedside and the rear bed piece, brand new from Toyota. And while it's fresh on my mind, how it all came apart, I'm gonna go ahead and stick this piece right back up on the bed and kind of temporary the bed all together for safekeeping. And right over here, bolted that new back section onto the bed. And that's one thing I really love about these Tacoma beds is everything just bolts onto the composite. So we got a brand new bedside here from Toyota. We got that looking good. Everything's looking good on the bed. I think I'll just keep working on the back of that cab, keep working on the bed, run to town and pick up some paint, start getting everything ready to get this truck painted, get it in the booth, and then start putting it back together. So let's get back to work and get some of this work done. And it's the next day here, and this truck is all dry. And I think that pretty much completes all the paint work. We wound up having to blend in this area, blend on the door, and there was a little spot right here I glue pulled out, blended on the door, fixed the back of this cab, got that looking nice. Then we just re-cleared everything up here. And then in this apron area up front, we fixed all of that. And then we wound up blending on this fender since we had to paint the bumper and the hood. And there's a new bumper. It turned out really nice. Pretty much got parts scattered completely all over the shop here. And I bought a new rear bumper to get these plastic pieces, and I kind of got the skeleton of that all set up. Still got a couple of these little end pieces here to color match. And then there's our new tailgate. It's all painted and shined up good. So I think right now I'll get the truck untaped, and I'll kind of put the braces back on that bed and use the lift to put the bed back on the truck. We can start putting this truck back together and be 100% on it. So if we're going to get it done anytime soon, I better stop talking and get right to work. Got the front bumper all put back together. Still working on the grill. Started working on the bed, getting everything on the inside put back together. And then I moved over here to the rear bumper, and I got the rear bumper all put back together. I got the tailgate almost 100% back together. Got everything moved over except the little trim panel up front. But I picked up a set of wheels for this truck, and these things are really nice. I know they're stocks, so y'all don't be throwing rocks at them, because these tires are almost brand new, and these wheels only have 2,000 miles on the wheels and tires. They came off of a 2023. They've even got the sensors inside. I kind of stuck one up there just to kind of see how it was going to look. And I'm really digging the wheels, but I want to know what you think. You think these wheels look good on this truck? That charcoal gray? I think it's going to look phenomenal on this little truck. So I'm going to continue putting everything back together and try to see if we can get maybe the tailgate put on, maybe get the rear bumper put on, maybe we can even get these wheels and tires put on. But pay no attention to the man behind the curtain, because I picked up this Tundra. I'm gonna be working on it in the background. I really like this truck. It's an older truck. It's a 2004. But I'm just gonna patch it up and let it be a knock around truck.
Ooh, that sugar sweet. You got what I need. Sipping on the potion. All that good emotion. Just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat. Testify the motion. Loving this devotion.
So let's get back to work and get this 23 Tacoma fixed up. As much as I want to start working on that 2004 Tundra, we got to get this Tacoma fixed up first. So let's hop to it. Let's get it done. So guys, I just realized that I promised you a look at the inside of this truck. Let's check it out real quick. The inside of this truck is super clean. There's the back, the little jump seats. Everything's clean back there. Everything's clean up front. Truck is really clean inside. The dash is clean. Radio's clean. Seats are clean. And it's just a really clean truck. It's a nice little truck. We kind of wiped everything down, just gave it a nice vacuum. And these little extended cabs, they got the little jump seats. So check that out. It's nice and clean in the back. Everything is just looking really, really nice with this truck. And I'm super excited the way it turned out.
Make a move, baby, you got nothing to lose. Give me that good reaction. Gonna make it right, little like an offer I can't refuse. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I've got to run this show. You always take me
So this little truck turned out absolutely amazing. It's a clean truck. It's a great driving little truck with only 84,000 miles, a 2023. It should be ready to hit the road for a long, long time. I've been driving it around and I actually like driving it. I may drive it for a few weeks, but we're going to get ready to sell this truck. Before we do that, we always like to break down the cost. So let's jump straight to it. We paid $8,300 at Copart. Copart tacked on $1,090 in fees, $115 shipping, $2,436 from Toyota, $453 for paint and clear coat, $500 for the tires and wheels, $400 for the windshield, which made the grand total $13,656. Completely the way the truck is right now. It's ready to hit the road. It needs nothing. And if this truck didn't have a rebuilt title, it would blue book for around $30,000. I'm going to put it up for sale, and I'd really like to get about $20,000 out of it. But definitely let me know in the comments what you think about the truck. And don't forget to give us a follow on Instagram and leave those post notifications turned on. We've got huge things planned for the channel. Catch you guys next time in the next episode of Orange Wire's Garage. We're out.